Hi folks, I am Mara Toombs from the Halifax and Region Military Family Resource Center. I'm a social worker on the mental health and well-being team. And today I'm talking about mental health and wellness resources in Halifax and region that would be very helpful to people who are living here, or if you're posting into Halifax and you're looking for support for you or your family members. So I'm going to talk about a variety of mental health and well-being supports, as well as what we do here at the MFRC. So first of all, if you or a loved one are experiencing a mental health crisis, we have a wonderful service here in Halifax called the Mobile Mental Health Crisis Line. You can call them directly 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. If in some cases they will send someone to where you are physically, but they will provide phone support in any case. And that's a number I really recommend people have just written down somewhere in the house. It's handy to have it in a hurry if something starts to get really complicated or intense, or if you're having a big, scary experience going on with your mind. So I can't recommend the Mobile Mental Health Crisis Team enough. So one thing I want to highlight is our services here at the Halifax and Region Military Family Resource Center. Our mental health and well-being team includes 4 English-speaking social workers and a new French language counselor. Our 4 English-speaking counselors include our intake social worker, Christine Van Kooten. So if you call us, you're likely to speak to her first. Christine is a wealth of information about what's available in the community and what we have here to offer. And then if you connect through her with one of us as a counselor, either one of the 3 English counselors or the French counselor, those services are available either in person in Halifax, in person in Shearwater, sometimes on the phone, or on a video chat. So wherever you are within our region, we can provide services. And that's so helpful that counseling is available. Really, even in bad weather, at times when you don't have childcare and you want to pop on a call with us, we can be very flexible. So get in touch with us for that. Our counseling includes short-term, generally 1 to 8 sessions, working with people on grief, stress, navigating challenges of the military lifestyle, transitions, couples counseling, and generally building resilience. So get in touch with us if that feels like it would be helpful. We work with people individually over the age of 16, and if you're supporting someone under the age of 16, then we're going to work with you as a parent to try to find support. If what you're looking for is more clinical, I would say more complex, if there's an addictions challenge, if there's something ongoing, if you have a diagnosis, if you're looking for something more within the health system, then what we have here in Nova Scotia is the Nova Scotia Health Authority Mental Health and Addictions. So you can call them directly and find out what the process is for you. If you have a doctor, it's helpful to get a referral from your doctor. You can get a referral from a social worker. And then it's an intake call with them to tell them, and they tell them what's happening, and they try to figure out whether they have a program that's useful for you. What I always tell people about that is that the wait times are longer than we want them to be. You know, it's a challenge. Wait times are a challenge in this province. So if you feel like, oh, the winters are always tough for me, get in touch now. Like, think ahead about getting in touch for those kind of supports so that the ball's already rolling, because it takes a little while. Now I'm thinking more at a grassroots community level. A program I really love is called Healthy Minds Cooperative. It's peer-led, which means it's for people experiencing mental health challenges by people who have experienced those life events or mental experiences, including addictions. They have groups, so it's great for connecting with other people and making new friends and getting peer support. They have women's groups, men's groups, a writers group, which is excellent for processing what's going on and getting new insight. And they also have lunch and learns and workshops, and it's all free, and it's a wonderful organization. So I'd really check out their website, see what they have to offer you. They also have a navigator who can help you find out more about what's out there, what's going on. If you're looking for support for a young person, or if you are a young person watching this video, I want to highlight 2 resources that are here in Halifax. One is the equivalent of community mental health, but for younger people, is our hospital here for youth, the IWK Mental Health and Addictions program. You can directly refer. As a young person, you can call yourself, a parent can call. You can also get a referral from a doctor. They'll get on the phone with you, have a call for half an hour, 45 minutes, find out what's going on, and then connect you with an appointment if they have services that are helpful. Again, wait times are a challenge, so that's one that I would jump on if you foresee that being useful. The other one that I want to highlight for youth is Laing House. It's on Barrington Street. They work with 16 to 29-year-olds, and That is a wonderful place to connect with other people experiencing mental health challenges who are young. They have arts programs, they have cooking, they go camping, they have a lot going on. Again, free programs, downtown Halifax. It's a wonderful place to connect and fight isolation, get employment support, like lots going on there. Now I want to broaden out more to just what is also available for military families anywhere in Canada, here in Halifax as well. We have the Canadian Forces Member Assistance Program. You can self-refer, you can call them. They have free counseling for eligible family members for 1 to 8 sessions on a particular topic. You can connect with a professional in your geographic area, specializing often in the thing that you're looking for help with. If they have someone that specializes in that, they were going to connect you with that person. And I find their services to be great and usually pretty quick to connect with. So I'd really recommend them. Also, if the challenge is happening within the family with a very, very young person and you're a parent looking for support, Strongest Families also offers military-specific programming where you don't need a referral if you're a military family. You can call Strongest Families directly and they'll work with parents on how to support young people experiencing anxiety. They also have other programs. They have programs for adults experiencing anxiety. Strongest Families is a wonderful educational resource if you want a more independent path of someone teaching you some skills and learning how to apply them within your family. And then I'm circling around again to what we have to offer here at the MFRC. So I've just spoken quickly, I've said a lot of things. If you're feeling like, I don't know which one of these is useful, contact us. We can work through this and figure out what's a good fit and whether we have something here that would help you. So get in touch with us and we're happy to talk about whatever's coming up. Have a nice day.